She was strangled, he was shot. For 28 years, investigators have been trying to figure out who they were and who killed them. Now, there may be a big break in the southern Colorado case that has some very real New Mexico connections. Here's News 13's Maria Medina.
And Dick, the detective working in the case, believes he knows the last name of the woman. The clue was found in a car buried in a ravine.
Archuleta County Detective George Barter hopes this tattered red and white jersey may be the key to solving a 1982 double murder.
I feel there's a good chance that was the last name of the victim, the female victim.
The name on the jersey is Gibson. Gibson's number was 80. Detective Barter believes the jersey belonged to this woman, one of two people killed, then dumped on the banks of the San Juan River.
Obviously, they weren't killed in the river. They were killed somewhere and then taken to at or near the river.
Barter thinks he knows where at least the male victim was shot. Back in 1982, a woman named Tina Madrid told investigators she'd let the man stay in her bus before she kicked him out. Acting on a tip, Detective Barter found that abandoned bus last year, a mile and a half from where the bodies were found. And in the bus, investigators found blood, as well as 4 .22 caliber casings.
The male was killed with a .22, so feel very fortunate that we're actually able to get evidence from a place like that after 28 years.
Detective Barter was also searching for a red car that Madrid was seen driving in 1982. In August, a tipster told the detective he'd been using the abandoned car to control erosion in a ravine and ended up burying it years ago. It was unearthed about 3 miles from where the bodies were found. Inside its trunk, the red jersey.
So with the last name and a little bit of hard work and luck, I'm hoping I can name the female victim and maybe, let the family know what's become of her.
And Detective Barter thinks the woman was from Farmington, but he's not sure if she was staying in the bus with the other victim. Dick?
All right, Maria, the detective is still looking for Tina Madrid. They would like her to tell them what she knows about all this. He also wants to talk to David Haynes, who owned the car she was driving.